Okay, hello everyone. Today we will talk about the perceived time distortion from unplanned short video use among university students. We are group 6. Our pre-work divided into 5 parts. First is why this topic matters, and second is research design and questionnaire schedule, and the third is data collection and analysis math. Fourth is findings, and the last is what this means. First, I will talk about why this topic matters. Nowadays, short videos like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram or other similar things will have become an inseparable part of university student daily life. This platform offers the faster personalized entertainment and the instant mood boost and a way to escape academic or emotional stress. But however, these benefits come at a hidden cost: distort time perception and the loss of academic focus. Someone says, I just want to watch for 5 minutes, but suddenly an hour passed. A common symptom from students around us. Studies shows about over 70% of students report losing track of time while watching short videos. This phenomenon is known as the perceived time distortion, where engager connect makes time feel like it's passing faster than it really is. So what is the problem? So the students should start watching videos subsequently during breaks before bed or between classes. They enter a follow state encouraged by autoplay and the infinite score. As a result, this increases the time distortion, reduce study time, and the negative emotion, guilt, anxiety, and stress, lower academic performance. So our research question is how does the unplanned short videos use affect our university students' perception of time and their academic responsibilities? So our partner will talk about the survey design.
I will now explain how we design the survey for our research. We create a questionnaire with 32 questions divided into 7 parts. Each part focuses on a different topic. One is demographics, like age, gender, and the year in school. And second part is video use. How often and how long students watch short videos. The third part is time perception. How fast time seems to pass while watching. The fourth part, emotions. How students feel afterward, such as guilty or frustration. And the 5 parts, academic impact. Whatever videos cause delays in study. And social pressure. Influence from friends or online groups, technological factors, effects on autoplay and notifications. To make the answer easy to study, we use a 5-point scale for all questions. For example, from strongly disagree to strongly agree. We wrote questions based on research and social media, time distortion, and dictator habits. We also made sure the question matched real short video applications like TikTok and YouTube Short and Instagram Reels. In the time perception part, we didn't just ask, do you lose track of time? We also asked more detailed questions like, does time feel faster than expected? And do you watch longer than planned? This design helps us understand the student experiments from many sides, their thoughts, feelings, habits, and school life. In the end, the survey will clear, easy to compare, and useful for data analysis. This makes it possible for us to average comparison and finding patterns. That's my part. Thank you. I will now hand it to all my teammates.
I will be introducing how we collected our data and how we analyzed it. We begin with an online survey distributed through university email lists and also social media groups. Participation was completely volunteer. And we included an informed consent from to make sure students understood to propose and that their responses would remain anonymous. The survey stated open for 2 weeks, and we sent out remainder messages during that time. And this gives students a flexible to complete it on their own schedule, which helped improve both response rates and response quality. In the end, we received 508 valid responses, providing us with a solid and diverse sample for analysis. Now we are moving to the data analysis. So we use the combination of this descriptive status and collaboration analysis and regress modeling. First, descriptive statistics helped us summarize the key information: students' demographic, short video habits, and emotion and academic impacts. This gives us an overall and general trend. Next, we use the person collaboration to explore relationships between variables such as how autoplay to algorithm recommendations are related to time distortion, or how social pressure links to procrastination. Lastly, we use the regressions analysis to predict how specific technology features like notifications contribute to time loss. All of this was done using SPSS/R, ensure that our results were statistically reliable.
Hello everyone, let me briefly present the findings from our study. We collect 508 valid responses with a balanced gender ratio and widespread across all 4 academic years. Most participants were aged 18 to 22, which fits our target group, university students. This diverse sample strengthens the validity of our results. Our data shows that nearly 69% of students frequently track of time when watching short videos like TikTok or Reels, although many only planned to watch for 30 to 60 minutes. Over 1/3 ended up watching for longer than expected. This shows clear signs of time duration, especially with spontaneous viewing behavior. Emotionally, the effects were significant. Around 69% of students felt guilty or frustrated after exclusive viewing, while some enjoyed the content. Many also reported emotional stress or mood disruption. This shows that overuse not only wasted time but also harms mental well-being. We also explored why this happens. Students said features like autoplay, notifications, and algorithmic recommendations that made it hard to stop. Additionally, 73% of feel pressure to watch trading videos. So both tech design and social influence play a major role in overconsumption. Finally, we looked at the academic efforts. Over 65% of students say short videos interrupt their studies and lower productivity. They reported more and missed deadlines. Clearly, unplanned video doesn't just waste time, it impacts academic success. To conclude, our research shows a strong link between short video use, time duration, and academic challenges. highlighting the need for better self-regulation and plan for responsibility.
I will talk about the implications, limitations, and future research directions of our study. First, what does this study mean? We found that many students are not fully aware of how much time they spend on shoot videos. This highlights a need for digital self-awareness. Students can benefit from learning how to monitor and control their screen time, especially during exam periods. Universities has a role to play here. Then they can organize workshops on screen time management, just like they offer support to stress and or study skills. These sessions could help students build healthy digital habits. Also, app developers should reflect on the side of user experience design. Feature like endless scroll and autoplay may keep user engaged, but they can also reduce control and awareness. The UX means designing apps that respect users' time and attention. Now let's talk about limitation. First, our data is self-reported, which means some students may not have given accurate time estimates. Secondly, we could survival students from one university, so the results may not reflect the experience of students. Lastly, future research could take the further study would help us see how time reception changes over long periods. Also, we suggest comparing students from different countries, which could reveal